Hello students, in this week we are going to continue talking um, recycle, about uh, how to decrease the contamination in our planet or in our community. No, okay. The title for this class is "Let's Manage Solid Waste," and the activity is "Small changes can make a big difference." Okay. Well, first of all, before to explain the new activity, let's remember the last activity. In the last activity, you had to write a list of recycled materials, and uh, also you wrote a list of the products that you can create from the recycled materials. No? Okay. Okay, in this week, um, you're going to create an illustrated set of instructions. Okay. Well, you have two options. Option A, write step-by-step instructions that explain how to make coasters from all newspaper. Match each step with a picture below. And the second option, option B, write step-by-step instructions that explain how to make a new object from recycled materials that you find in your house. Illustrate each step. That means that you have to put a picture, okay, in each step. Okay, let's see option A. Okay, wait please. Okay, if you decide to do option A, um, option A is about, in option A, you have to write step-by-step instructions that explain how to make coasters from all newspapers. Match each step with a picture below. Okay, step number 1, the first instruction. Look at the pictures that show how to make coasters from newspaper. You have to look at the pictures. Okay. Step number 2. Write instructions from each picture. For each picture, use the verbs from the box. Follow the example. Okay. In each, okay, using each picture, you have to write an instruction under each picture. For example, well, you have the verbs roll. I explained you the last week about the meaning of these verbs. Okay, roll, glue, paint, and cut. Okay, for example, roll each sheet of newspaper to make a long stick. This is, for example, this instruction you write in the second picture, no? Please, you have to write just a short sentence, okay, for each picture. Obviously, that this instruction has to start with a verb. And finally, add sequence words to your instruction. Use the sequence word from the box. For example, first, I roll each sheet of newspaper to make a long stick. Then, for example, I paint the newspaper, for example, no. After that, I cut the newspaper, for example, no? Okay. But if you, okay, wait. Okay, but maybe you decide to choose option B. In option B, write a set of instructions to make a new object with recycled materials that you find in your house. Choose one of the objects from your list of from last week. Okay. Remember that you wrote a list of new products, of new objects made of recycled materials. Okay. Choose one object and um, and do this activity, option B. No? Step 1. Make the object with recycled materials and take pictures of the process. Okay. You stick picture from all the process. Number 2. Write the instructions for each picture of the process. You can check the glossary for the verbs you might need to use. Okay, under each picture, you write instructions under each picture. Okay, and maybe if you can use the new vocabulary that you find in your material. Step number 3, add sequence words to your instructions. It's the same step. It's the same activity that in option A. But in option B, you can create a new product, no? In option A, the material propose you the object. Okay, let's remember that for both options, option A or option B, this evidence have to have these characteristics. Okay, don't forget that. Okay, if you have some doubts or questions, please send me a message. Okay, bye students. Take care a lot.